Hey girl, so this vlog started out as a vlog. It was supposed to be a vlog, but it somehow turned into a Stitch Fix unboxing. So here we go. Good evening, morning, day, night, whenever you're watching this video. Girl, it's chilly in here. I just lit the fireplace because it's a little bit nippy. Cut the trees on and everything. It's nice. It's like, well, you know, it's dark. It's almost 6, not quite 6 o'clock. But today has been a great day. What have I done? Probably nothing. I ain't done nothing. You ever had those days that just don't do anything? And I did maintenance on my body today. Shave. I'm so tired of shaving. I don't know what to do. But anyway, we shaved today. Did a little maintenance because I gotta get my I gotta get my nails and my feet done tomorrow. I gotta decide like what color am I getting. I've been editing some videos. I have been responding to comments. I am so proud of myself. I am having to pull myself up out of a funk. Like I am so, and I don't feel like depressed or anything like that. I'm just in a funk. And I hate being in this funk that I'm in. Girl, I got this dress from Cato. It might have been like 3 years ago. And I just saw it today. Because sometimes when I'm around the house, I'm just like, you know, I might put on a little dress, you know, something not so serious. I had this little outfit I was going to put on. Cute, but it was like, where the heck am I going? Like, and I'm not, but you know what? I haven't getting dressed whether I'm going somewhere or not. But it was just kind of structured, you know, and I didn't want to be that structured, sitting in the house. I got the TV going on. Believe it or not, I like my tree better in the daytime or, you know, at night when I cut the light on and stuff. Smell. I swear, you know, you ever light your fireplace and be like, it's a gas fireplace, but I don't know, sometimes I feel like I smell gas even though, I don't know. We got smoke detectors and what you call it? My carbon monoxide detectors though. So I think it's just me. Sometimes when you first light it, like when you first light your furnace for the year, like the first time for the year, you get that smell. It's kind of having to burn off and stuff. I think I'm just tripping, girl. But, oh, what was I saying? I'm not depressed. I don't feel depressed or anything like that. But I have been in kind of a funk this whole little holiday season. And I don't know. Like, I don't know if, you know, me getting my schedule getting thrown off has had me kind of like this. But I don't know. I've just been kind of in a funk. Not into the holiday season, you know, I don't have the holiday spirit, and I hate that so bad. Because girl, if you've been rocking with me, you know how I am about Christmas. You know how I am about the holiday season, period. It don't seem like the holiday season. It just seems like any other month. Like, it just doesn't seem like Christmas. It don't. Like, Thanksgiving didn't seem like Thanksgiving. Nothing seems like it is what it is this year. And I don't know why. I can't figure it out, but just that. Let me show you this little dress. I'm gonna lower the camera a little bit. It is a cute little dress, actually. But like I said, I have had it for about 3 years. Don't mind my slides, girl, because yeah, I got my slides on. And I ain't going where I've been in the house all day. But I do like this little dress, though. I like the little cutout. And I was like, why haven't I worn this? You know, like, it's my color. It's the green. I am loving green, girl. Let me tell you something. But I've been on a green kick for some years now, really. But because I don't know. I really been liking green a lot. Let me show you my Stitch Fix while we at it. Do I want this Stitch Fix inside this video? Why not? So I usually just separate it out, but girl, I'm just gonna throw it in my little bitty mini vlog right now. So I got this sweater, which I love. I love this color, but I have to send it back because it is huge on me. And I already put in for a large, so I just got to send back this extra large. But this is what is this? The Winter JLA V V-neck cropped cardigan, dark green. Okay, so here is the sweater. Like I said, I exchanged it for a large. This is an extra large, and I mean, I guess if I wanted to like hang it off the shoulder, I thought about that, you know, but I don't really wear my sweaters like that. I'm also wearing them like this. Girl, look at this coat. Oh, I freaking, let me see if I can. Beautiful is this coat. I absolutely love this thing. Girl, this is not my usual Stitch Fix try on. This is just, let me move this plant. This is just, it is what it is. I'm just showing you it's not the, you know, fixes like I normally do, but girl, how beautiful. I love this coat. Look at this coat. Oh, is she cute, girl. Oh my goodness. I love this coat. And this was such of a surprise because I just told her to surprise me. And she surprised me with this box. This is the, what is this? This is the Kenneth Cole McKenna Faux Fur Coat in black, extra large. Look at this. Oh, the quality is so good. This is a really nice, very soft, really nice coat. So I love this. So, she sent me another coat. I don't know what was up with her in coats this time because she never sent me any coats. Her name is Ashley, is my stylist. But look at this coat. Oh, let me try this on for you. Girl, is this or this not cute? I'm gonna have to try it on with. Check it out. Oh, it's got the faux leather coming down the front. It is an extra large. Got the black around the collars. And this is not leather. This is material. But it's a crop jacket. Oh my goodness. I love this jacket. Oh. This is the back. Girl, this is a cute jacket. This was a, let me see. This is the Vegas Sherpa jacket in white. But the same with this, it feels just so nice. This is a really nice feeling jacket. Can you see the around the collar is actually cloth. This is faux leather, which, you know, adds just another, it gives a little interest to the jacket. This color, I just told you. So this is the dress. This is the, let's see. This is the Vero Moda Holly Karis blouson sleeve sweater dress. Oh my God. But yeah, this is what this looks like here. I love this dress. It is like a little short, but I think it's really cute, and I love the sleeves on it. See how the sleeves actually gather and are just long, and this is a really cute dress though. Really cute dress. And so, dress, and keep in mind, I just have on this sports bra right now, so I don't have on, like, you know, the right bra or anything like that. But this is that dress, and I just think this is so cute. Like, I love the sleeves on this dress. Let's try on the jacket because the outfit I had on, that dress might have been causing like a lot of I don't know. Like, you might not have been able to see it as well, but this is this jacket with this dress on, which I think is so cute. How adorable is this? I just love this jacket. And we also have, last but not least, these 1822 Denim Save Our Oceans Reduce, Reuse, Recycle straight jeans in a 1432. I was really excited to get these because I had asked for some cargo pants, because I am having a problem finding cargo pants that are long enough. Like, I can find cargo pants, but they're all high waters on me. Like, I am 5'7", which is really not that tall, but I just have a hard time. Every pair of cargo pants I try on are so short. So I'm gonna try on the jeans and this sweater and let you see what that looks like together. But I'm loving this dress. Oh, do you like this dress? Give me a thumbs up if you like this dress. I love this dress. They are really long. I love the fact that they are long enough because I can put on boots. I can put on you know, shoes with a little heel. And I might actually take them and get them, you know, like fixed up here just a little bit, because I do have like a lot of space up in here. But I do love the fit. They are definitely long enough. There was no way I was sending these back, because I absolutely love the length on these and just love actually how they are. I mean, I love the pant itself. It is so comfortable. So yeah, I just decided I'm just gonna get them tailored a little bit and we'll be good to go. Which actually they're not bad, but I probably will get them taken in just a little bit, because I love these. I really do. I think they're so cute. So let's talk about the prices, shall we? This is a pretty expensive box, but the coats is what probably made the box so expensive. So the dress, this green dress, this is the Vero Moda Holly Karis blouse sleeve sweater dress. I don't know why it's got so many names, child. In dark green is $75. And this cardigan was $45, which is very inexpensive. I don't know why the heck. Something has got the glare. Sorry about that. But the sweater is $45. The black coat, the black faux fur coat is $125, which is a steal to me. This is a really good price for this coat. And the Shepera Vigos Shepera jacket in white is $89, which is a good deal. And the cargo pants is $60. I freaking love these cargo pants. I'm gonna wear the heck out of these, I can tell you that right now. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $394. The buy all discount and 25% off is $98.50. And the total subtotal is $295.50. Of course, I kept this box, which made like a little over $300 with taxes added in, because this is pre-tax. So I did keep it, but I love everything in it. Like I said, I wasn't intending to do the Stitch Fix box, but while I was there, I said, you know what, just let me go ahead and get it done, get it out the way. Since I haven't done one in so long, and it's not being because I haven't liked my items, it's just been, I've been busy and I just haven't felt like filming, to be honest. I've been busy and just ain't been in the mood, but this was an excellent box. Like, the coats just took it over the top for me, because she thought outside the box, and these coats are just really a very nice addition to the box, something they have not sent me. I mean, they've sent me coats, but not, you know, jazz. I love these coats. They're just, I do. The quality is really good on everything in the box. And the jeans, love the jeans, girl. Love them. So, you know, I want the Mason Marcella. The hubby just came home from work, child. You know, I want the Mason Margiela jeans so bad. Girl, we're not buying them bank jeans because they're just too expensive. I don't know, like, it's like I want those jeans, but they are so expensive that, you know, sometimes reality just needs to set in of, girl, check yourself. And I haven't even thought about pulling the plug on them. I just want them, but we're probably not gonna buy those. Anyway, I just want to come in and say, hey girl, what's up? This, like I said, this is supposed to be a vlog, but it ended up being Stitch Fix. I just want to show you what I got this time, and hopefully, you know, going forward, I'll be able to show you my stitches. Maybe I won't be that busy where I can't show them to you, but let me know what you think. What was your favorite piece in this box? And let me know what your thoughts are, and I will holler back at you in the next video. Bye, girl.